The central bank is poised to raise rates this year, and officials could offer hints on Wednesday at how much they'll go up and how quickly. Follow our latest coverage of business, markets and economy. Federal Reserve officials will release a fresh policy statement on Wednesday in which they are expected to signal that rate increases are coming soon as policymakers react to a strengthening economy and maneuver to keep price gains under control amid a burst of inflation. Economists do not expect the Fed to lift rates, which are set at near zero, at this meeting, and officials will not release new economic projections until March. But the January announcement comes as the Fed pivots away from an economy-stoking policy setting and toward one that will keep consumer and business demand in check, which promises to make it a closely watched event on Wall Street. Investors expect Fed officials to begin raising their policy interest rate in March and to make 4 increases in total this year, moves that will make borrowing to buy a house, a car or new company equipment more expensive. Policymakers are already in the process of slowing a bond purchase program they have been using to strengthen the economy by keeping longer-term interest rates low, and they have signaled that they could begin to shrink their asset holdings soon after they begin to raise rates. Officials clearly have a trifecta of policy moves planned, but investors are watching eagerly to see just how aggressively the Fed carries them out. Will policymakers simply let the short-term debt on their balance sheet run its course without reinvestment, allowing securities to run off, or will they actively sell bonds to remove support from the economy even faster? Will they raise rates 3 times this year, as their December economic projections suggested, or will they make additional increases? The central bank's policy announcement may not answer all of those questions, but it will be followed by a news conference with Jerome H. Powell, the Fed chair, and market players will parse his words for any hint of how fast the Fed plans to move.